Here we go.
Hey guys, Eric Sill here with Carolina Autos again, and today we're up here with my friend Leonard getting my intake test fit for a custom intake that he's trying to get built for the Veloster N. So he's doing all kinds of measurements and stuff, and it's got some silicone pipe he's trying out. So, but we just wanted to show you kind of how to get the intake off and just kind of show you test fitting the new custom intake. You can see we're already kind of halfway through the process here, so we'll pick that back up here in a bit. I'm gonna video you taking everything off here for people on the YouTube channel. Step one there, guys, undo the BPV, bypass valve. And we got 3 bolts on the air box, one there, and one there. What size is that, Leonard? 10?
10 millimeter.
10 millimeter. If you're able to find one in your toolbox.
Yeah, they're elusive. They are elusive.
Is their music loud now?
Yeah. That Mustang over there's pretty loud too.
Is it?
I saw your video a while ago.
Oh yeah. Yeah, that Whipple car is ridiculous, man. He's got no cats and a crossover.
Over there, he's a 5.0, but he's not.
Coyote motor?
Yeah.
Yeah. I'm sure it's quick.
He's not forced induction.
Yeah. Yeah, that guy's, it's a Whipple Stage 3 car. It's an automatic. That's why it never lets up. It's wah, wah, wah. It's got 10 gears. Take off the, is that on a PCV?
Yeah, breather and PCV.
Yep. And once you get those clamps off, guys, they just slide right off.
Yep, right out the way.
I'm sure most people that own these cars know what they're doing, but you never know. And then you got a Phillips bit or another 10 millimeter bit back there.
Yeah, I just use all 10s, make everything easier.
Yep. I saw Forge Tuning came out with a larger inlet pipe right there, that silver piece, for $95.
I haven't seen that.
Yeah, it's like, really, $95? Well, the thing is, the inlet to the turbo, the actual inlet there is no bigger, so does that really, I don't feel like that would really do you any good, you know?
It'll help a little, but it's just not much.
No.
Okay.
Oh, we gotta do those pins and undo those pins, don't we?
I think they just slid right out last time. I didn't really have to
Finagle.
No.
Keep track of the bolts over there. Once you slide that off, everything just kind of lifts on out. And there we go. And you can see down there you got the bypass valve, inlet.
Yeah, so you can disconnect this.
Yeah.
And just leave it open if you wanted to.
And that's what the 6 element one does, apparently. They said they just...
Yeah, just remove that.
Yeah, just take it off. I would want to probably put some kind of little filter on there at some point so nothing falls back down in there, but
Well, you put a piece of screen on it, like I've got aluminum screen.
Yep.
That you could put on it.
That'll work.
It'll keep anything from getting in there.
Yep.
But you don't want to put a filter on it because it'll actually block the air from releasing from the turbo quick enough.
Oh, I see. Yep.
So it can cause damage.
And here's our custom pipe here. Just a test fit to see where we're at.
This one's not finished. This is just a mock-up piece I made.
What's that made out of? Is that just PVC?
Silicone.
Silicone. What's that, buddy? We're filming testing on the custom intake here.
Why? Are you
Put it on my YouTube channel.
Wait, are you on YouTube?
Mm-hmm.
I might watch you.
yeah, you might.
What is your YouTube channel?
It's Carolina Autos.
Okay. How many videos have you posted?
I probably got 60 or 70 out right now.
Take this off.
Take the clamp off here. This is a trial and error method here. Looks like you got it pretty close though. That fits.
Mm-hmm.